Hey, Mark Sisson here. I'm going to show you how to prepare steak my favorite way, marinated in Primal Kitchen balsamic vinaigrette dressing. So, pretty easy. Just shake it up, pour some on the steak, top and bottom. So I want to get this nice, thick, juicy steak, by the way. And you can leave this for as little as 30 minutes. If you have longer, that's even better. Up to 8 hours, you can cover it and put it in the refrigerator. So I've already poured some oil in the pan. You can see it's starting to get a little bit smoky. Oh, you know what? Let's put some salt and pepper on this to start with. You can never have too much salt and pepper on a grilled steak, I say. Great. Okay, now let's add this. Okay. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna let it sear 3 to 5 minutes on this side and then turn it over. Meanwhile, I've been heating up my oven to a nice hot 450 degrees. Oh yeah, look at that. Let it sear on this side for another 5 minutes and then pop it in the oven. All right, the steak is done. And while I was cooking the steak, I grilled up some asparagus and some mushrooms. So let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, good. A couple of slices here. And add that to our plate over here. Maybe a little rosemary to garnish it. And there you have it.